In this video, I'll show you how to cancel or pause your Hulu subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do is log into your Hulu account. So go to the Hulu website, hulu.com, and log into your account. And then from there, you want to access account settings. So click on your profile name in the top right hand corner, select account from the drop down menu. And then in your subscription selection section, click cancel next to your cancel subscription, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation process. And if you want to pause your Hulu subscription, do the same process. So log into Hulu, click on your profile name, select account from the drop-down menu, and then in your subscription section, click on pause your subscription. Select the duration for which you want to pause your subscription. It goes up to 12 weeks. And then confirm your selection from there. Remember, you can only pause your subscription once every 12 weeks. If you have any issues, you can always contact Hulu's customer support for further assistance.